This video looks interesting.
Hello everyone, today we are going to show you movies and K-drama scene that teaches us triangle congruence.
Mary, I see you're looking at a little problem here.
Ano? Egg.
I should never have agreed to this in the first place. Did he really expect you to just walk in and be able to dissect some random massive problem?
Not much to dissect if you ask me.
Why? Why do you say that?
It was wrong.
What?
Well, for starters, he was asking me to answer a non-congruent triangle. The answer was not given in the choices. Went downhill from there. NSAS postulate tells us that if two sides in an included angle of a triangle is congruent to two sides in an included angle of another triangle, then they are congruent.
Mary, you knew the problem was incorrect. Why didn't you say anything?
Mike says I'm not allowed to correct older people.
The bridge did not fall because of the storm. I mean, before it was broken, the triangles built on that bridge were not congruent.
Yeah, in theory, sir.
We need to be past theory in this.
If the triangles holding the bridge were not the same size, then it should have been broken down age ago. Why did it fall at the moment of the storm then? Do you even know about congruence, Bethany? Can you go ahead and explain the postulate to him, at least just the SSS one, so he sees what congruence is?
Okay, so here we have two triangles. A hash mark here, hash mark there, and the hash mark here. The hash marks indicates the sides of a triangle. And thus we see that the sides we have in triangle ABC are congruent to the sides of triangle XYZ. And this is an example of SSS postulate.
Okay, so here's another example of SSS postulate. Here in the given example, we can see the congruent sides and the congruent angles. So, if two angles and the non-included side is congruent to two angles and the non-included side of another triangle, then it is congruent. What postulate is this? Naturally, it is AAS postulate. It is name, angle, angle, side. Okay, now we want to solve these problems. Why did I even ask? What about our math geniuses? The Su couple. Come out and solve problem 1 and 2. And our new girl, Lim Ju Kyung, solve number 3.
GRADPS Beats exclusive.
아니지. 아니야.
This is the definition again.
Her problem is so easy. It's SAA. How does she not know that?
Are you following this? You don't appear to be taking any notes. Is there something you'd like to contribute? Come on. You'll need the chalk. But I hadn't completed that proof. How do you know?
I just know that if two angles and an included side of a triangle are congruent to two angles and an included side of a triangle, they are congruent, also known as the ASA postulate.
Well, gentlemen, that appears that our time is up. Thank you for your attention.
Number 1. This is one as all congruent three sides, so it is the SSS postulate. Number 2. This one has congruent two sides and an included angle. This is the SAS postulate. Number 3. Triangles here have congruent angles with non-included side. I am sure it is the SAA postulate. Last, number 4. The triangles have congruent angles with an included side. Definitely the ASA postulate.
Sorry.
What do you do?
Sorry.
That's people's work. You can't graffiti here. Don't you walk away from me.
I said I'm sorry.
You're a clever one. What's your name?
Looks right.
Probability links and possibilities. First and outside sample space. Set of all possible outcomes.
A single die is root. It has 6 outcomes. Since it has 6 sides, here is the sample space. It will either land on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Possibly, the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called
This sample space, determining the gender of the baby can be done by using the sample space. The ball outcomes are too easy
girl, girl or boy using sample space.
Let's proceed to the fundamental counting principle. It uses the summation.
Is it n sub 1 times n sub 2 and so forth and on? For example, you are hungry. You want cake or cupcake with coffee milkshake. Let's do times 3. A total of 6 combinations here.
The complicated one. 3 types of donut in the fridge. 2 types of chocolate. 3 types of vegetables. If I want one of it, how many stack options could I have? Let's find out using the fundamental counting principle. Apply 3 times 2 and another 3.
Yeah. Damn.
The options are a total of 8 stack options.
Yeah. Damn.
Let us happy. Basic counting principle. Is it really basic? I'm just kidding, maybe. Basic counting principle. Probability of an event equals number of an event over the total number of these sample space. As examples, how many of these digits are a multiple of 2? 7 number 10. 7 is the number of multiples and 10 is the total number of these sample space.
Now you learn the basics of probability. Hope you learned a lot. Don't mind, we are good ones.
What just happened?
Thank you po ma'am so much. Hope you enjoyed our class.
Bye po ma'am. Thank you po. We hope you enjoyed po.
Thank you po ma'am for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed. Mama.